Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Set system volume to 100% and media volume to 100% before other adjustments. Start by unlocking your Android open settings, then sound and vibration to confirm main sliders are at maximum. Respect safe listening. Avoid sustained levels above 85 dB to protect hearing and reduce volume if you feel ringing. Check hardware. Inspect the 3.5 mm jack, USB-C port, or Bluetooth connection for damage or debris, and clean gently with compressed air or a soft brush before testing audio. Enable equalizer and raise the gain for bass or treble up to safe limits to enhance perceived loudness. Use the built-in equalizer in music or settings when available. Use a reputable volume booster app and limit boost to no more than 15 to 20% to avoid distortion and speaker damage. Update audio drivers and Android OS to ensure proper codec support and output levels, then reboot. For Bluetooth, set device volume and phone volume, both to maximum, and choose aptX or AAC codecs when supported for better loudness. Switch to wired headphones or speakers using a quality 3.5 mm or USB-C cable when possible to bypass Bluetooth losses and improve loudness. Use an external DAC or portable amplifier to increase clean output by 3 to 10 dB and preserve clarity. Connect via USB-C or the audio jack and select external output in settings if required. Replace worn speakers or earphones when distortion occurs at high volume, and consider using EQ, foam tips, or snug fit to improve perceived loudness without raising volume.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.